Dean suggested and discussed it and deliberated it that we must have this type of protocol, and then everybody agreed with the suggestion made by the Dean, Goa Medical College, that Dr. Bandekar, that we must do this particular protocol. Actually, as far as these pouches are concerned, this suggestion came through a discussion only and suggestion of the Dean that we must give this in home isolation to every patient because this will be of benefit to the people. Many times गांवान जर पळयल्यार आमी पळयता की मेडिसिन बी दिवपाक कोण फुडें सरेना जर कोणाक स्टिग्मटायज जाता मनीस जर कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह घरांत जर गावल्यार. So basically immediately to start this medication and give this protocol, and then automatically one more thing which we are starting the training. I think I forgot to mention Dr. Rupa's name. Dr. Geeta is also feeling unwell, so as a result of which she has not come today, but actually we are starting training. We have already identified Ayush doctors, homeopathic doctors, MPHW and ANM. So basically they will be posted under the health officer in every community health center, every primary health center, and also we have said through Goa Electronics that the digitization of records of every patient. आम्ही ऑक्सिमीटर कित्याक दिता म्हणजे सॅच्युरेशन लेवल ऑफ दॅट पेशंट वी आर एबल टू चॅक सॅच्युरेशन लेवल ऑफ द पेशंट आनी तेजे टेम्परेचर तेणी घेवपाची गरज आहा आनी त्याच बरोबर every day the record of every person in home isolation will be there with that primary health center and see, and they will explain to them the type of protocol that they have to follow. If somebody's saturation level is falling, there are ways. I am not a doctor, but when discussion of doctors, I see that in case you put the check the use the saturation level, you take a saturation level initially and then walk for about 6 minutes, then again check the saturation level. Then generally you find if there's a drop, then he needs to address the issues with the primary health center. This system was not there. So after with all of us discussing, expert committee, our Dr. Dean, Dr. Oscar, Dr. Morio, Dr. Rajeshwar Naik, Dr. Viren Gaur, and several all our doctors from Goa Medical College and Health Services, we discussed and came to this conclusion. So their training is also going to start. Digitization and having data of the patient under home isolation is very important. What he is feeling, what is his temperature, what is his saturation level for that day. All this has to be digitized. All this will be available with us. Goa Electronics also has been roped in. As far as the Honorable Chief Minister is concerned, has immediately given approval when Dr. we spoke regarding the accommodation of the doctors. They will be housed in the Goa, Kolwa Residency and Williams Hotel. Williams Hotel. कारण आमची एक जबाबदारी आसा कम्युनिटी खातीर आमचे डॉक्टरा कडेन जबाबदारी आहा की बाबा they cannot go back home for that duration of their rotation. So as a result of which we have to see that they are properly housed and they are taken care of. So as committed to the people of the state, on behalf of my Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, we are commissioning this hospital today. Actually, I was not supposed to be. I was telling doctor, you start today. But then I said, let me myself go and see and talk to all the doctors. Their issues are there. We will also be video conferencing facilities. We are getting it totally connected so that we are on any emergency on a weekly basis. Then we are able to, not necessarily weekly, it can be 3 times a week. But basically, try to understand what are the issues. So we are trying to link up ESI Hospital, this South Goa District Hospital, Ponda Hospital, Goa Medical College and my office. So basically then we can report back to the Honorable Chief Minister. We are also in the process of creating a dashboard where this internally with the government this information is available with us on the situation in every area, every home isolation case. So as committed to you, we are starting admitting patients in the hospital from today. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Is there high demand for oxygen? This private company.
I have already returned to the collector that any company that is dealing with oxygen in Goa will first look at the requirement of the state government and the collector and the powers vested in him, similarly to the Maharashtra government, similarly to the Karnataka government who is preventing oxygen supply from coming out of their state into other states. जे ऑक्सिजन फेसिलिटी गोंया राज्यान खबर आहा म्हाका प्रायस हायक जावपाची शक्यताच ना कारण आमचे ऑलरेडी फिक्स प्रायसीस आहा ते सप्लाय पयली गोवा आमकां जे रिक्वायरमेंट आहा ते पयली सप्लायज करता वेर्ना बी एक कंपनी आहा ताका ऑर्डर काड म्हणून सांगल्यार पयली आमकां गव्हर्मेंटाक जे कितें ऑक्सिजन जाय ती पयली दियात मागीर तुमी खंय कितें करता तें करा प्रायस तो करूंच शकना कित्याक आमी परचेस हायस्ट बायर इज हू टुडे इट्स द स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बाय एट एनी abnormal कॉस्ट एज इट इज प्रायसीस जे आमी घेता आमी त्याच प्रायसीचेर घेता आमकां काय कोणी प्रायस वाडून काय दिवंक ना सद्या already Dean is ordering another 200 beds but also this operation here starting today has to stabilize पहिली 10 दिवस पहिली stable जावन दी मागीर we will move towards the ITU and high dependent unit ultimately this and ESIC hospital will be a major hospital critical to critical patients will be there like what Dean mentioned लोक सारखे टायमार येना हॉस्पिटलान लोक केन्ना केन्ना ब्रेथलेस जावन येता लोक मागीर सांगना पयले जोर आसता कितें जालें जोर जोर असलो 5-6 दीस जोर असता ताबडतोब जर सांगले की आम्ही ताका ताबडतोब प्लाझ्माची गरज असल्या प्लाझ्मा ऑल्सो स्लोली पिकिंग अप द डोनेशन ऑफ प्लाझ्मा त्याचबरोबर तुमचे बाकीचे गोष्टी आम्ही जे अवेअरनेस करतात ते अवेअरनेस आमचे चालूच आहा पण लोकांनी बी फुडें येवपाची गरज आसा सांगपाक केन्ना केन्ना आय टेल यू टुडेज इन्सिडेंट one person has got, I am not taking the name, has got COVID, has got nothing wrong, but at least identified to the health officer, but in his complex, he has not mentioned to anybody. As a result of which what happens is that he infects his family first, and after that, we don't even know how many more people he is infecting. As a result, people should follow the SOPs laid down by the government, should come forward, and also you must understand that in villages and all, when there is home isolation, it becomes very difficult to create that type of area and space for him. As a result, they come with the whole family infected. So these are the practical issues which we have to address. As a government, we are creating the bed facilities. We are using whatever resources that are there with us to mobilize and to see that we provide quality care to the people. Now, तुम्ही म्हटल्या सांगल्यासारखे प्रत्येक गोष्टीवर आमचे लक्ष आहे and we are taking it forward. Thank you. तुम्ही मेडिकल SOPs तुम्ही सांगता ट्रीटमेंट एंड देन यू कॅन टेल अबाउट इट हांव उलोव पयलीं ना आयज आमी तुमकां फाटल्या विकान आमी शब्द दिल्लो की ह्या वीकच्यान आमी पेशंट्स एडमीट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो आयज सांजेच्यान आमी पेशंट्स आयज सगळे इन्स्पेक्शन करून जाल्या काही कामां आनी उरल्या करपाची त्याच बरोबर आमी एडिशनल 70 लोक घेतल्या पेशंट हँडलिंग खातीर कित्याक पेशंट हँडलिंग वॉज अ मेजर इशू आणि पेशंट हँडलिंगाच्या खातीर आमी ह्या तरेचे लोक घेतल्या जे खंय ते पेशंटाचेर तेचे लक्ष आसतलें आनी दे विल बी कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी टू द स्टाफ अँड द नर्सिंग स्टाफ सद्या आमचे तयारी जाल्ली आसा 150 बेडाची तयारी जाल्ली आसा आणि जे खंय इट इज इक्वली डिवायडेड बिटवीन मेल अँड फिमेल वॉर्ड ह्या हॉस्पिटलाच्या फाटल्या विकान बी हांवें तुमकां सांगलेलें की सरकाराचे उद्देश आहा की हे हॉस्पिटल अपग्रेड करून आमी ह्या हॉस्पिटलान फुडाऱ्याक आमचे ज्या तरेन ते स्टेबल जाता ह्या स्टेबलायज करून स्टाफ स्ट्रेंथ ही सगळे जाग्यार घालून आमी आमचो प्रयत्न आहा की हांगा मागीर सेपरेटली एक ITU एंड हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट ह्याच हॉस्पिटलान आमी करून दिवंक जाय म्हणजे पॅरलल टू ESI ही हॉस्पिटल चालू उरतली आमचे डीन हा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे डॉक्टर दीपा मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट डॉक्टर सुनंदा आमोणकर आणि डॉक्टर राजेश पाटील जे हॉस्पिटलचे नोडल ऑफिसर आहा डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकर आणि आमचे बाकीचे सगळे टीम जे हांगा आणि विश्वजीत फळदेसाय आणि बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स नर्सेस आमी डॉक्टरां कडेन सगळी चर्चा केल्या आनी सोंपें न्हू की नवें हॉस्पिटल जस्ट टू पुट कमिशन इट सो बेसिकली आयज आमी कांय प्रमाणात HFNO मशीन्स हाडून दवरल्या कांय व्हेंटिलेटर्स हाडून दवरल्या त्याच बरोबर जे कितें लागता पेशंटा खातीर आनी त्याच बरोबर जेवणाची सोय बी सगळे आमी टीप टॉप रायट फ्रॉम द स्टाफ टू एवरीबडी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर सँक्शन एवरीथींग एंड गिवन इट टू अस आमच्या डॉक्टरांक बी रावपाची सोय बी सगळे आमी करून घेतल्या त्याच बरोबर आमकां ह्या हॉस्पिटलान जो प्रोटोकॉल आसतलो ते आमचे डीन सांगतले मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट सांगतले आनी हांगा आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे आमचे 2 नोडल ऑफिसर्स म्हणून डॉक्टर सुनंद आमोणकर आनी डॉक्टर राजेश पाटीलाक आमी हांगा डेप्यूट केल्ले आसा कारण आमकां खबर आहा की तेंच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी आमचे पेशंटाचें जीवन आमी वाचूं शकता हांव आतांच पळयतालो आनी तुमकां हांव पयलींच्यान सांगता की हो स्पायक काय कमी इतले बेगीन जावपाचो ना हो स्पायक अशेंच उरतलो काय फॉर सम टायम as a result of which our job is to see that we provide quality services and we have got more than 18-20 private rooms here also that we will utilize and commission it as and when it is required. As far as the protocols, hospital and the protocols are, they will be very strict protocols. We will not be allowing any relatives or anybody inside. Whatever the attendant with the patient that is required accordingly based on the doctor's SOPs that are there for the hospital, they will take care of it. आणि तुम्ही पळयला की ESI हॉस्पिटलान बी जे कितें कमी आशिल्ली ते कमी आमी पूर्ण करपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा आमचे डॉक्टर बरें काम करता थंय आनी त्याच बरोबर जेवणाची सोय आसूं हावजकिपिंगाची सोय आसूं जे व्हेंटिलेटराची गरज आहा ती बी आमी केल्या थंय ITU हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट सगळ्यो गोश्टी आहा आतां ती नवे प्रोटोकॉल जे आमी पावचीस जे प्रत्येक होम आयसोलेशन पेशंटाक दिवपाचे आमी केला तेजे डीन उलयतले मागीर आनी बाकीचे SOPचे डॉक्टर सुनंदा आनी डॉक्टर दीपा तुमकां सांगतले तेच्या भायर ते सांगले उपरांत आनी कितें जर तुमकां विशयचेर म्हाका प्रश्न विचारता जाल्यार निश्चित तुमी विचारचे पण आयजच्यान हे हॉस्पिटल आमी पेशंट एडमीट करपाक मायल्ड टू मॉडरेट पेशंट्स हांगा स्टेबल पेशंट्स ह्या जे आमी हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान ESI हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान हांगा शिफ्ट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो आनी तेजे भायर आमी डायरेक्टली जे कोण आमचे OPD कॅज्युअलिटीन जे येता तांकां चॅक करून थंयचे थंय आमी हांगा ह्या हॉस्पिटलान डॉक्टरच्या डिसिजन प्रमाणे हांगा आमी एडमीट करता.
स्टार्ट करता फ्रॉम ESI हॉस्पिटल पेशंट्स हू हॅव कम डावन टू स्टेप डावन स्टेज तांकां आतां शिफ्ट करपा लागतले विथीन 1 hour आनी तो प्रोटोकॉल आमी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस केला विथ दी ESI डॉक्टर्स. दुसरो एक आमचे कडेन एक ऑब्जर्वेशन आसलें, हांव तुमकां सदांच तें डेथ बुलेटीन धाडटा, मेडिकल बुलेटीन मॉर्टेलिटी. तातूंत आमी पळयलां की थोडे लोक पॉझिटीव जाता आनी घरान रावता आनी इवन इफ दे आर सफरींग फ्रॉम कोवीड सिम्पटम्स दे डोंट कम टू हॉस्पिटल. पूण आतां आमी एट विलेज लेवल बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ देम आर स्कॅर्ड टू कम टू हॉस्पिटल and they don't want to have that social stigma of COVID. So what Honorable Minister and the Honorable CM has done is they are going to give them pouches. Now in those pouches there will be monitoring kit as well as prophylaxis. Prophylaxis म्हणजे कितें, तातूंत थोडी मेडिसिन्स आसतली, ती मेडिसिन्स जर घेतली आनी सपोज जर त्या पेशंटाक कोमॉर्बिडिटी आसा, डायबिटीज आसा, हार्ट डिजीज आसा, then he can take those medicines very safely. तातूंत ते आयमरवॅक्सीन म्हूण आसा आनी डॉक्सिसायक्लीन हे 5 दिसाचो ट्रिटमेंट आसा. एंड दीस पेशंट इवन इफ इट इज जस्ट पॉझिटीव and he has even one of the comorbidities, he will not go into stage of pneumonia. He study UPin जाले आसा and he studies Bangladeshanuy जाल्या. आता pouches will be released very soon at the hands of Honorable CM and the HM.
When we can expect these
Pouches maybe by next week, sir.
Call all the doctors. ते 2 additional आमी मेडिसिन घालतात.
So we have done some changes in the protocol of those patients who are positive and who are opting for home isolation. Now what is the main changes? Main changes, we are going to do their basic test, blood test, and we are giving them medicines. Those medicines are used to prevent pneumonia. So that these patients, even if they stay at home and the monitoring is this way or that way, these medicines if they take, they will not go into moderate or severe case. So that is what is put in the pouch, and they can monitor themselves because oximeter is also there in the pouch, thermometer is there. So it will become like a small clinic in the house only, so that family need not get upset. All those medicines, normally what people say in home isolation there is no medicine given, and we also put immunity booster, we have put vitamin C, we have put zinc medicine and paracetamol SOS, that is only SOS if they have a temperature. But biggest advantage is that they will stop the disease there only. Viral load will come down, and this study has been proved. And the same has been applied here, and this is going on very nicely in state of Uttar Pradesh, and country like Bangladesh has also got a good result. So based on those papers, we have used this.
When we can expect this pouches to come to the doorstep?
हांव सांगता. आता दिना
runs well. It is meant for patient care, and I hope we do a good job. This place should be blessed by all those who get well over here. We will run a casualty, and some of the facilities are new. We may have a few feeding problems, so we have requested that we just start with step down first for a couple of days, so that our food services, our biomedical waste, and all of our linen issues will sort of get streamlined. After that, we should be able to be completely full-fledged. It is actually a cooperation of GMC doctors and our DHS staff. So I hope this is a very good, happy culmination. I am also a GMC alumni, so it was good to meet everybody again, and I hope we make a very good team. We have a lot of support from our health minister, and we hope that we have your support too. And we should make this work. After all, we are at service of all of us Owens, and we need to make this work for our community's sake. So I hope it does well, and we hope we have put in our best effort, and we hope this is a successful endeavor on our part. Thank you.
Have the government addressed the issue of accommodation with the doctors and the
Yes, it
paramedics?
has been settled, and our staff have already been
Has the
accommodated.
government people expressed?
हांव उलयता सांगता न्ही तुका.
स्टार्ट आयच्यान सांच्यान पेशंट आमी एडमीट करपाक स्टार्ट करतली. पयली ESIतल्यान स्टेप डावन सरान सांगला तशें स्टेप डावन पेशंट घेतली. And then gradually we'll start getting in more and more patients. The total capacity is about 150. That's what I think. So we
Patient
need
will be brought from the ESI.
correct.
Mild
Yes.
stable eyes and also direct admission scheme.
Anybody who comes here will be examined.
Serious patient.
Any patient who comes to casualty will be examined.
But if they are like moderate, then unstable, we could keep them here. But if we find that they are unstable or they are falling into the severe category, we'll either refer to GMC or we'll refer to ESR. Yes, right now we are starting with only that.
There will be a casualty here.
There is a casualty. Provision is made.
Full-fledged.
There is a well